There's a new AI chatbot called Claude AI created by Anthropic. It's a direct competitor to ChatGPT and Google Bard. In this video, I'll compare the features and show you how to use Claude AI for free. Key points. Claude can do summaries, research help, writing assistance, and coding like ChatGPT and Bard. It has more recent data than ChatGPT, trained up until 2023 rather than 2021. Can handle prompts up to 75,000 words, over 3x more than ChatGPT. Allows uploading multiple documents to summarize and ask questions about. Completely free to use the Claude chatbot web version at Claude.ai. Claude has memory to refer back to earlier conversations, making it more natural. One more good news, Claude is passing many AI detectors. Demo analysis. I would walk through signing up for a Claude AI account, showing the quick account creation steps. This gives viewers an idea of how easy it is to start using Claude. I would give Claude a prompt to apply text formatting like headers, lists, highlights, etc., while incorporating keywords. This shows its ability to optimize content for accessibility and SEO. I would give Claude a basic prompt and show the response, then do the same with ChatGPT and compare the answers side by side. This demonstrates Claude's conversational ability. I would upload a document like a news article and have Claude summarize it and explain the key points simply. This shows its document summarization skills. I would type an emotional prompt and ask Claude to analyze the sentiment. It would identify the emotion expressed. This displays the sentiment analysis feature. I would paste a large chunk of text and have Claude summarize it into concise key points. This shows how it handles long inputs. I would ask Claude for a simple code sample and compare it to ChatGPT's response. This exemplifies Claude's coding abilities. I would pose an ambiguous prompt, then when Claude asks for clarification, rephrase it to be more specific. This highlights the clarification feature. Conclusion. Claude is another great AI chatbot tool to add to your toolkit. Key benefits are document uploads, large prompt sizes, recent data, and features like memory and clarification. Check it out at Claude.ai and stay tuned for more videos comparing AI systems.